Hello, A-Team. This is Rebecca White, one of your A-Team leaders. And to start off our VIP Palooza, I'm going to show you how to make a VIP group on Facebook if you don't have one. So the first thing you're going to do is just log into Facebook, which I have already done. And then the next thing you're going to do is go down on the left-hand side to where it says Groups, and you're going to click on Groups. Up in the top corner, you should see a green button that says Create Group. So you will click on Create Group. And this is where you're going to put in your group name. So I'm going to go ahead and make one. You probably want something that has to do with books or reading. Since I have an R name, I'm going to go ahead and do Raising Readers with Rebecca. You can put Usborne Books and More, or Usborne in your title if you want. It's going to make you add one person. So I'm going to add my sister just because I know that she will be fine with me adding her to this group. So go ahead and just add somebody like a mom or a sister or a best friend. And then the last thing on this page, before you can create your group, you're going to select the privacy. It's going to default to closed group, and that's what you'll want to keep it as. The other choices are secret group or public group. We want a closed group. That way people can search for the group. So if they type in the name, they can find it, but you have to go ahead and approve each person before they can join your group. So I've had a couple people who have wanted to join my group from out of the United States, and people in my group post their private information like pictures of their kids and things, and I do as well, and I don't want people that I'm not comfortable with in my group. So that's why we go ahead and make it closed. If you make it secret, people cannot search for it. So once you do that, once you have a name, added just one person and made sure it's closed, you can click create. And then you will have your group. So you're going to personalize your group. So there's a couple things to do that. You probably won't want to add a photo before you add more people. So we can go ahead and upload a photo from our computer. I do have just saved to my pictures a cover photo. You can get these from the branding page or something that you've made in Canva. If you do drag the photo around, you can kind of decide how you want to position it, and then go ahead and press save. And then there are a few more fun things that you can do. So you can go to down here where it says more, and click on that. You can go to edit group settings, and if you scroll down, you can add in a description of your group. So this is my Okay, so you can go ahead and type in the description. Sorry about that. A train was going by. My son got excited. So this is my VIP group for all lovers of Usborne Books and More. Of course, you can go ahead and type whatever you want in there, just as your description. Then if you scroll down some more, you can add a location. So you add where you're at in case people are looking for you. So I'm up here in Madison, Alabama. So I'll go ahead and add my location so you can see how that works, and press save. And then you can do something really awesome, which is choose a color for your group. So I'm going to go ahead and choose purple just because that's one of our Usborne colors, but you can choose whatever color you want for your group, and that will show up in the top search instead of just the blue for Facebook. And you can go ahead and add in any more contact information, like you could add in your email if you want. Let's see, so this is Raising Readers with Rebecca. So that will be if someone's going to search in Facebook or you're going to type it in, it'll then be facebook.com/groups/your group name if you customize here, instead of just a random one. So that's in customized address, which is awesome. So there are lots of things you can customize here. If you want to have them ask a question, if somebody's asking to join, this is where you would do that. So you could do how did you, or what is your favorite Usborne book, or how did you hear about Usborne, whatever you want. That way you know that it's legitimate if they're trying to join. Let's see. And only the admin, you're going to want only the admin to go ahead and do the join requests. So once you do all those things, like I said, you can go through and tag your group if you want to. You can change your color, change the name on the address part, change your privacy settings, make a question. You're going to go ahead and press save. And then you will be ready to add lots of awesome people to your group. So let's see. It is saved. Make sure it's saved. And then you're going to go back to your group, which you can do by just clicking on the name of it. And let's see, over on the left-hand side, you can add members. So if you wanted to add anyone else, you can go ahead and do that as well. So there we are. All right. And if you have any questions about starting your VIP group, you can go ahead and put them below once you've tried on this post. All right, go out there and make a group, guys.